Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Bob in Montana on the Anytone at-6666, also known as the Quad 6. Bob, it's all ready to go for you. I know I've said it time and time again, but I'm going to say it again. I absolutely really enjoy working these radios. These Anytone 6666s have crystal clear audio when set up correctly, great average and great peak power, fully loaded AM sideband, FM, you name it. Yet it is the size of a Cobra 25. Nice heat sink on the back. Options to change the colors. Just an overall great rig. So Bob, let's get right to it. The RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. We set it at 2 watts all the way down, Bob, in case you decide to run an amplifier, you get full adjustability. 20 watts all the way up. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. Low, 50 bird on the money. 100 watt slug in PEP. Low, and a little bit over 100 peak. Alright, Bob, it's ready to come to you. We'll get your Road Devil mic fixed up, make you an adapter so that you can use any 4-pin mic with this. However, the stock mic is a great mic. You might want to try it out as well. It's got channel selector switches as well as it is a powered mic. Bob, enjoy it from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.